You'll find your comfort zone with the John Deere One Family subcompact tractor. Just take a look at how John Deere comfort and convenience compares to the Kubota BX. The step-through flat platform and fender-mounted handrails make getting on and off easy and convenient. Not so on the Kubota BX. The loader control levers are positioned in a way that makes it difficult to climb in from the right side of the operator's station. And take a look at the ergonomic floor mat on a One Family tractor. It's thick, molded rubber and provides a cushioning effect and helps dampen noise and vibration. Now take a look at the floor mat on the Kubota BX. Not quite the same heft and quality as you find on the John Deere. Let's talk about where you spend most of your time. Our deluxe suspension seat has movable armrests and a high back, which gives you great back support, perfect for days when you want to get a lot done. The adjustment lever is centered at the front of the seat, so you can easily adjust the seat fore and aft. You can also easily adjust the armrest up or down to provide just the right fit. On the other hand, while Kubota BX models offer a high back seat with armrests, you'll need an Allen wrench to adjust the armrest. The One Family also features tilt steering, which lets you position the steering wheel to keep your arms in a natural position for less fatigue. The Kubota BX does not offer an adjustable steering wheel. It's fixed, so you can't tilt it up when you want to get on or off the tractor. Operating a One Family tractor is easy thanks to our twin-touch hydrostatic transmission forward and reverse foot controls. Even at full throttle, there's no need for clutching when changing directions with a One Family tractor. The Kubota has a heel-toe pedal, which is less comfortable and less intuitive to use, especially when using the loader or positioning the tractor. The One Family tractors also feature a 12-volt outlet, mighty handy for charging your cell phone or other electronic devices. Notice how it's integrated into the right-hand console near the built-in storage box. Very handy. The 12-volt outlet in the Kubota is located beneath the seat, making a long, awkward stretch for the power cord. And without a dedicated storage area on the Kubota console, you'll have to use the cup holder to stow your phone. Now let's compare the One Family wheelbase versus the Kubota BX. The One Family offers a wheelbase dimension of 47 inches wide by 57 inches long. Compare those dimensions to the Kubota BX wheelbase, which are 44.5 inches wide by 55.1 inches long. With a longer and wider wheelbase on the John Deere One Family, you get excellent stability and a smoother ride with a One Family subcompact tractor. With features like the step-through operator's platform, deluxe spring suspension seat, twin-touch foot controls, tilt steering wheel, ergonomic floor mat, foldable roll guard ROPS, and larger overall wheelbase. When it comes to comfort and convenience, the details make all the difference between good enough and, that feels great. Another reason the One Family is second to none.